Welcome back to our channel, Business Mentality. In this following video, we're going to show you the best apps we can use to sell things in person. Some of these things you can use to sell online, but we use these apps to sell in person. So the first one we use is actually Craigslist. Well, before I get to the Craigslist, I actually want to give you a safety tip. Since we meet people in person, uh, I would highly suggest you meet people in public areas just for personal safety, and it just would make you feel more comfortable overall. So let's move on. We're gonna move forward to Craigslist. This is actually the first application we use. I'm gonna show you how to post an item on Craigslist. It's fairly simple, so just follow along. What you do is you create a post by clicking create a post. We're in the 213 323 area, so this is what we use most of the time. And then right here it gives you a listing of things that you want to post. So it's gonna be, we own it, so we're gonna be for sale by owner. Then it gives us a category to use, and I'm gonna make it just random. So let's just do clothing and accessories. Right here it gives you a posting title, price, postal code, and posting body. So these areas, which is the green areas, you need to fill in, or else it won't allow you to go forward. I'm not gonna fill it in here, but I'll give you the example right now in a bit. I'm gonna go down further. Okay, let me give you the example actually. Fairly simple. 1 second. I go to my account, and I'll let you see the first example. So the first example we have is a wireless charging pad for iPhone, and we have the pictures here that are placed, also with a description here in the bottom. What we tend to do is we actually put our own phone number. You can also do by email, and if you do by email, it'll pretty much show you here where you can reply. You just click onto this. But overall, this is how it's gonna look like when you post things on eBay. So we don't have everything here, but some things. And then it does, what happens is it does expire after 7 days. So what you need to do is renew the posting so it can keep going overall pretty much. So the next thing that we use is going to be OfferUp. So this is how it looks like. The thing about OfferUp is you can't post anything on the computer. It has to be through your phone. But overall, when people post, uh, this is how it looks like overall. Anything you post. I'm gonna show you the example that we have, by the way. So this is my postings on OfferUp. Some of the things that I have. Let me see what I can show you. I'll show you this one here. Where is it? So this is the posting we have, which is Nike Air Max Sequence 2. And as you can see in the photos, the quality is actually pretty good. And this is thanks to the light box that we have. And I'm actually going to leave a link in the description for the light box if you guys are interested. But this really helps you sell items a lot quicker because the photos look a lot better. So I'm gonna explain to you exactly what OfferUp wants you to do on your phone. So the first thing it does is it wants you to put the pictures and the description of the item, which is gonna be Nike Air Sequence 2. Then what I ask you next is pretty much the category, and this is placed as a clothing and shoes category. And just a brief description of what the item is, which is gonna be um, a men's size 9.5 shoe is what I put, and I also like to put model number and pretty much let them know that it's authentic and it comes brand new in box. At the end, it will actually tell you the location, and I mean I'm in the Monterey Park area, so this is where it ends up posting. So this is fairly simple to do for OfferUp. I mean it's very useful. We've been doing this for a while, so it does help us out a lot. I'm gonna go on to the next one that we use, which is actually gonna be LetGo. LetGo, you're actually able to post on the internet, which makes it a lot easier for you. But it's fairly simple to OfferUp as well. It's pretty much the same thing, I would say. The only thing is I would consider it to be a little quicker than OfferUp. Why? Because you can post a lot quicker. If you saw your item here, I'll give you a quick example. It posts for you instantly, and it gives you a description itself, and you can change it if you want. So I'm just gonna post this one. See, it's already posted. I just put the picture and it's posted. But you can choose to put the title and description as well, and the pricing. But I'll show you real quick in the example. This is already posted. It's very quick to do compared to OfferUp. Let me go to my profile actually, if it allows me. This thing's a little slow. What's going on? It's not popping out. Turn on. Okay, whatever. It's giving me a hard time. I don't know what's going on. I'll refresh this. So let me actually go to my profile so you can see exactly what it would look like. It's fairly simple, and I would consider it to be the same as OfferUp. So as you can see, it's posted in my area already down here. Let me go to my profile so you can see more or less of what it looked like. These are just some of the things I saw, but here it says 6 assorted color fitted caps. What we tend to do is we actually change the description of what it really is, but what Lego does is they go based on Google of what it most likely is. Sometimes it's incorrect, so we don't really like sticking with that. But it's very simple to use, and I would consider it to be like OfferUp, just maybe a little quicker. But I do like OfferUp a little more than Lego, to be honest. And the last thing that we like to use is Facebook. Facebook is actually really good. You can join groups and post in the groups. By the way, I'm gonna show you pretty much what we tend to do is pretty much we go into this marketplace, and when we want to sell something, you just click sell something. And this is just an example, a real quick example. I'll do the same thing with the same 6-piece hat pretty much. Pretty much you follow along the lines here with the categories, and what I'm gonna give you this example of how it looks like after. Where's, let me see, selling. So pretty much this is how it looks like overall. You have the description here, the category that it's at, the pricing, the full description, the condition, and let me see if it shows me what groups it's posted to. I'm not sure if it shows me here, but right here it would tell you. So I follow some groups pretty much, and some of them is going to be yard sale, SGB 626, the IE 909. It's different groups you follow, but when you post, you can post up to 10 groups at a time. And I mean, I consider this one to be easier than the rest of them because I get more people to contact me here than anywhere else. And I'm gonna show you guys other apps you can use, because all this can be done on your computer, but the only one that you're not able to do on the computer is going to be OfferUp. This one has to be done on your mobile device. There's no other way. And the thing about these is you can actually sell online on OfferUp and on Facebook as well. We don't do that. We typically just meet up with people. So it's a lot easier for us, and we just stick to eBay selling online. But I'm gonna show you these other apps that you can use as well. We don't use these, but these are just other options you can use that can help you out, because the more postings you have overall in different apps, the more likely you get people contacting you. So one is going to be actually 5 Mile. 5 Mile, I would consider them to be same thing as a OfferUp and Lego, more or less. I mean, as you can see, they have the same things overall. And then another one's going to be Poshmark as well. These are all fairly the same. So give it a shot with these actually, because these, I mean, the more postings you have overall, the more likely you get people to contact you, and that's kind of what you want. So if you have a bunch of items that you want to get rid of, try all these here. I think these will work perfect for you. We use just 4 because it works good for us, and I mean, I never really tried these other ones, but I know other people do try them. So give it a shot and let me know how it turns out. So that's pretty much it, guys. And if you guys are interested in learning more about the things that we do, check out our other videos, and don't forget to like and comment. We respond as well with comments. We'll be making more videos and giving you ideas of how to make money on the side, or if you're looking to do this full time, this also will help you out as well. So stay tuned, and we'll see you guys next time. Thank you.